Beautiful February morning. It's been a little bit on the chilly side, but it's 64 degrees now, no wind. Water is so clear. Thank you, dear Lord, for this beautiful day. Trout. Thank you, Lord. Just right here. Probably less than a quarter of a mile from the boat ramp. They are fun to catch. That's a big girl. Thank you, Lord. That's a beautiful fish. Here, yeah, I think it's a big red. It is a red, but he might not be a keeper. But thank you, Lord. After that 20-inch trout this couple hours ago, now you blessed me with this red. Let me bring him up so you can get a better view of him. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's probably only about 15 inches or so.